Today we are going to be unboxing the Pitbull Gold Shaver from Skullshaver. All right, first things first, we're going to go ahead and use a knife to open the box. All right, we got the box open. Out of the box, it comes with a little pamphlet kind of going over the different accessories Skullshaver offers. And the back side goes over Skullshaver's warranty information and their contact info should you want to get a hold of them. And inside the box is another box. But this one looks a lot prettier. Let's go ahead and remove these little tabs here. All right, let's open the box. And right inside this box, we have a little miniature catalog kind of going over the different shaver models. And on the back side, we have information going over what the different blades are and what they're used for. Next up inside the box, we have a drawstring bag you can put your Skullshaver in if you're gonna travel. And as you can see, everything is held in there pretty well from the packaging. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this little plastic cover off here. Let's save the best for last here. There's a little black box here. Let's see what's inside the box. Open up one side here. And we have a charging cable, as well as a little brush for cleaning, a small bottle of lubrication for the blades, and a power brick for the charger. And the moment we have all been waiting for, let's take a look at the actual Skullshaver unit. Nice and clean right out of the box. It has a little plastic pull tab here, as well as a cover for the charging port. This particular model comes with 4 blades right out of the box. These are the 4-tip-4 blades from Skullshaver. Let's see if there's any goodies under the plastic. Yes, there is. Okay, cool. So it looks like it comes with the instruction manual. And that's all you're gonna find in the box. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comment section down below. You can find this product and all of Skullshaver's other products at skullshaver.com. See you in the next video.